guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making Christmas cookies. If you can hear background noise, it is my family. They are right there making so much noise. If you want to create these cookies, I will leave the recipe down below, and let me go gather up the ingredients, and I'll see you in a second. I have all my ingredients right here in front of me. I'm just gonna follow the recipe, and I will do like a little time lapse, and then I'll come back when I'm decorating the cookies and stuff, or whenever I have to say something. But yes, if you want to copy this recipe, I will have it linked down below. So let's just get started.
Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to be doing is putting 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And then you're going to take 2 teaspoons of baking powder and just throwing it in there because that's what it says in the recipe. The next thing you're going to be doing is grabbing a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and just dashing that in there. Then you're just going to get another bowl and put a cup of vegetable oil, or I don't know what that is actually. And then a cup of sugar. And you're going to put it in the blender, let it blend and stuff. And then you're going to put 2 tablespoons of milk. You need some milk. And then you're going to get a teaspoon of, I think it's 2 teaspoons, yeah. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And you're just going to be putting in there. And then you're going to let it blend. And while it's blending, you're going to be dumping the all-purpose flour and just putting it in there. And yeah, you're just gonna clean up your mess because I'm a messy person and I love to make a mess. So yeah, you're just gonna let it blend up a little bit and it should be nice and tasty. So yeah, just let it blend and I think you'd be giddy to go. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Okay guys, sorry. Oh my god. Sorry that the lighting is kind of horrible, but I just switched the road. It looks kind of crumbly, but I'm gonna fix that. So I'm gonna roll it out and start like cutting out. So I will see you when I'm doing that.
Okay guys, now you're gonna cut out your cookies and do all that jazzy stuff. So obviously it's Christmas, so I cut out some ornaments. I think I cut out a stocking, a snowman, and a stocking. I don't know what else I did, but yeah, you'll see it in like the next couple clips. It was really nice and cool to do this. So yeah, I'll show you right now. Oh yeah, so yeah, I did that. And I did like a kitty, I think. I don't remember. Then I'm just going to put this in the oven and let it bake for like, I don't know, like 10, 20 minutes. No, not 20 minutes, for the love of God. Probably like 10 minutes.
Okay guys, so the cookies are out. But the thing is, we only have red and white icing. So we're going to be creative with this. So yes, I'm going to decorate the cookies right now. And I'll see you in a bit.
Are you tired of hearing my voice? I bet you are. Here's me creating a cute little stocking. So all I'm doing is frosting it with red, obviously. The fuck, you can see. So I'm just putting it at the end of like the little shoe. Who invented stockings? Riddle me that. Okay, and then you're just putting like the white tip of the thing on the top, obviously. Boom, it's looking cute or whatever, and that's what it will look like.
Okay guys, so I finished my cookies. They look like this. They look beautiful if you ask me.
What's this?
What are these called? The stockings are cuter than everything else on it, just because these
And
are
the
like,
and the teddy bear?
these are like the actual colors for it. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, which is like basically me cooking, but if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.